Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to iron a t-shirt. Start with a clean, dry t-shirt. Always check the care label first to determine the correct iron temperature setting for your fabric, usually found on the inside collar or side seam. For most cotton t-shirts, a medium to high heat setting with steam is ideal. Fill your iron with distilled water if it has a steam function. Lay your t-shirt smoothly on an ironing board, ensuring there are no wrinkles already present. Now, let's tackle the main body of the t-shirt. Start with the back panel, laying it flat and smooth. Use long, even strokes, moving the iron from top to bottom. Apply gentle, consistent pressure, and never let the iron sit in one place for more than a few seconds to prevent scorching. Repeat this process for the front panel, carefully working around any designs or logos. Next, we'll perfect the sleeves and collar. Lay one sleeve flat, ensuring the seams are aligned, and iron it with smooth, even passes. Repeat for the other sleeve. For the collar, lay it flat and iron from the center outwards to avoid creating new creases. Take your time around the seams and hems, using the tip of the iron to get into smaller areas for a truly crisp, professional look. Almost done, give your t-shirt a quick once-over to catch any stubborn wrinkles or missed spots. Once it's perfectly smooth, immediately hang it on a hanger to prevent new creases from forming. This simple step is crucial for maintaining that freshly ironed look. Proper storage, like hanging in a closet, will keep your t-shirt looking sharp and ready to wear for longer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.